Hi there guys, we got our lawnmower's just been fixed and it's smoking like we're in foggy. Look at that. Honey just ran away from it. Honey just ran away from it because she can't stand the smoke. It's all coming towards her as well. Look at all that.
That lawnmower's smoking.
That lawnmower does not look healthy. Went through some stones. It's not, the lawnmower blade's not broken, it just went through a load of stones. The reason why it's smoking so much is because the cord went and he tipped it on its he tipped it over and then it tipped all the petrol into the engine part.
Yes, come on Joe. That was so smoky.
Still smoking a bit. Honey's run away. Dottie's found a place to hide from the lawnmower smoke and Honey's just returned. She'll probably run that apple tree around the backyard. Yes. Leave her alone, Daisy. This is Dottie's peace out, hideout place. She always sits there in the shade because she's a furry dog and she doesn't like too much hot. And Honey, she's just short-furred and she doesn't mind what goes on. I'll advise you something. If your lawnmower is smoking like that, never touch it. It will burn. It's so hot. It's just unbelievable. It'll take your skin off. And that is where we wrap up this video, guys. And I'll see you soon. Bye, Honey.